Hello, my name is Cesar Campos. This video is on personal information and daily routines. My personal information: I am from Colombia. My language is Spanish. I am security guard. I am 22 years old. I am studying business administration. I like to play football and I don't like the cool. My daily activities: in the morning I get up 4:30 and I take a shower. After I brush my teeth, I, I, li- I leave my house at 5:30. I start to work at 6 o'clock in the afternoon. I have lunch at 1 o'clock and I leave my work at 6 o'clock. In the night, I take a shower again and I have dinner at 7 o'clock. I start to study at 7:30 until 10 o'clock. After I brush my teeth and I go to bed. Thank you.